Hi everybody. Wanted to talk today a little bit about ground covers. Well, when your season is over and you're done planting, um, there's one thing you definitely don't want to do is leave your soil bare. That's not good. There's a lot of reasons. Uh, the wind, the sun, the rain, in places that it snows, the snow melt, they can all wash all the nutrients away. And the sun can kill your beneficial life in the soil, especially like where I'm at in South Florida. The sun is really harsh, so uh, you definitely want to have something that you can cover your soil with to protect it. So that's when you get a ground cover, and there's a few options, and that'll help protect your soil. So you can use something like clover, for a cover crop, which will, that'll add organic matter, to your soil. And clover and actually any legumes, they'll add nitrogen as well to your soil. So when they start or are ready to go to flower, you can just chop and drop them right on top. They'll decompose, and that'll feed all the microbial life in your soil. They'll feed on that, and it'll get decomposed. You'll have all the worms working at it, and then they'll add all the good stuff to your soil. So you'll be ready to go when the time for planting again comes around. Now here, you can also use grass clippings, and you can use leaves, which is what I have here. Um, some of them I chopped up with a weed eater, and a few of them are still whole. But I find this is an easy, simple way to just mulch the soil on top, and create basically a ground cover for the soil. You can use crops, like I said, and use them as cover crops, but you can just use leaves and leave it protected while you're not using it. And this will do, exactly what I was just telling you. It'll protect the soil and help, protect the life in there, and it'll start to decompose and add nutrients to the soil as well. It'll add nitrogen and so forth. So this is something that you should consider when you're done with your season. You definitely want to cover it with one of those options, and you'll be ready to go for the next season. Anyway, just a small tip here, but it's I think a pretty important tip.